everyone, it's Tracy here. Thank you for joining me again for another demonstration. We are going to use the Yupo paper again to create some more backgrounds. I've got my blending tool here, a number of different alcohol inks, blending solution, and of course our alcohol lift ink, which is what we need to create our backgrounds like I've done here. So I'm going to do a few more now. So starting with the yellow, this is our pearl. So this is a yellow pearl. This comes in a set. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that down, and then the alcohol blending solution, and that's our base of where we start. Okay, so we can start now adding some colour. It will change completely to how you start, so don't worry too much about putting everything in the right place, because it just moves and it evolves, it changes. And of course you can, if you use your blending solution, you can wipe it clean. If you don't like it by the end of it, just wipe it clean and start again. And that's the beauty of the Yupo paper. So I'm just waiting for that to dry a little before moving on to the next layer. Now for me it's just about building up a background so with lots going on, and that will give us a really nice print. So let's just dry that. It's almost like fixing it and then producing our next colour. So we've got a little bit of pink going on here, don't want too much. Okay, so I might just pop a little bit on there. And again, I'll just dry that off. And we're really starting to build up some nice layers, colours and textures there. So maybe a little more pink. And maybe a bit more blue. It is knowing when to stop, I must admit. Kind of get carried away with it, but it's just good fun. Just watching it change before your eyes. See how that's changed completely now by adding that little bit of yellow. So now I need to put a bit more colour back in. Okay, I am going to stop there. Give that a dry. And then let's grab our alcohol lift ink, and we're going to put that along the top there, and then use the brayer to just take that down over the image, and then let's pop it down. This is our Multifarious card, and we give that a good rub. Lift off as much of that colour as we can. And let's see what we've got there. That's a really nice, another really nice textured background. Now if you don't want that white around the edge, you can simply just use your smoothie and just bring in another colour, or stamp something down the side, stamp some worded stamps. There's so much you can do, but it's a starting point. That's what I like about it. It's something that will give you a starting point, just like I've done these here. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. Have a go. Let's see what people can do using the Yupo paper and the alcohol inks. It's been a long time since I've used them, and I have a feeling I'm going to start getting back into them again. Thanks very much for watching guys, and speak to you very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.